this is concept number 4. There's my first 3. 1, 2, 3. This is concept number 4. This one, I moved the end plate. I moved the end plate that's in there this way 2 mil. Okay. I also moved this from over here. Still doesn't work, so I'm going to scrap that altogether. So my next print is going to be exactly what you have here, and without that part, because it just doesn't want to work out for me. It'll work out back here, and it'll hold on the microphone. I also extended this by 3 mil, so you get a better fit, and you can put on and off the microphone with ease. Okay. I also moved the bracket, the hole for the bracket, up by 3.7 mil, so that it'll sit almost flush. Look. Okay. And the reason being is I wanted this end up higher because it was down very low. These holes that are in the back are also for magnets. I'm going to be putting magnets into them. And the same down in the bottom. So I have 4 holes down the bottom for magnets, and this is also going to be a tripod mount hole. Whether it works or not is another thing. This has been a bit of a nightmare. I won't lie. Sturdy. My other concepts, because of I didn't move. I moved it in too far that way, so they were all loose. So they're flapping forward. See, there's no movement in it. So there's no movement in it that way. I also made I'll take it apart, okay. 1 second. So I'm just going to take it apart so you can see for yourselves what I done with it. I'll take a bit of time. Try and do it as quick as possible, guys. It also needs a sanding down because this is just straight off of the printer. So I had the hole going all the way through the top. Actually, I got rid of that. So I'll take that off. Okay, you'll see now how this attaches, right? So you know your clasp just slots into that hole. Okay. So I moved this hole was lower down. Okay. And that's not me scratching it, by the way. That's a piece of plastic hanging off it. So I moved this hole up altogether by 2.7 mil or something like that. The depth was still the same. The hole diameter was still the same. This it's not a hot chew or cold chew or anything. I just decided that I'd see if this would work out. But what I want to do with this, okay, where's my microphone, is get the microphone to go on like that, facing you when you're talking. Now it'll still work like this, you know, and you're chatting away, blah 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 blah, yeah, that's fine, okay. But what I wanted was the microphone to sit there like that, basically. But the problem is with the DJI, and I don't know why they did this. In the DJI, there's like 6 little things in there, right? See them? They're kind of going in and out of focus. 6 teeth inside in the clasp. So now I know this isn't the correct size either, right? I did think it would go in though, you know. Right. So I need, this is 18 mil. This is 18 mil, okay. from side to side, from there to there. It's 18.2. Okay. Now, what I could do is the magnet that DJI give you, DJI give you. I could stick that on up there. Okay. Now, you're not going to be running around with this, and you can stick that on there, and away you go. All right. So that could be a thing, but I want to keep the magnet. The magnet is handy, you know. I'll be buying magnets anyway, so what I might do is just drill a hole in that, slip a magnet into it, and that'll stick onto it. There's lots of things to talk about with this handle. It is very practical. Does fit in your hand ergonomically very good. You see, like you can put your hand back there. You have grips up here. You know, it's not too far from the screen. Fits the hand nice. It's not too big. You know, nice curves on it. Obviously, I could sand it down and prime it and paint it and everything. You know, get it all, looking fabulous. But yeah. What do you think, guys? This I'm gonna put it back together there for 1 second. So now the power of the interweb and camera magic. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to show you how it actually fits in your hand, if I can. I'll just hold my phone back. That's how, if you can see me, because I can't see a thing. That's how it fits in your hand. So you can use it like that, whatever. So you can use it with a microphone, without a microphone, you know. So okay, like that. There's no movement in it. I think I got rid of all the kinks out of it. Fits in your hand like that. You can hold it like that. You can hold it like this. You know, even that back there is a good thing to hold up the thing. So one second now again, guys, doing this with my phone. I have my 2 hands, but your hand can hold this as well at the same time. Keep losing focus, but yeah. So that's basically what it is. That's how you get. That's my concept of my DJI handle, and if anyone wants one, let me know. I have them saved, and I can print them for you if you want. Obviously there's going to be a cost because this stuff isn't for free, like. But yeah, it's nice and sturdy. You could give it to you like this. I could sand it all down. I could prime it. I could paint it. I'd fill it and do whatever. You know, it's probably a couple more little things that I could do to get it looking proper. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I got. So let me know what you think, and yeah, I'll leave it there for now. Thanks for watching.